Welcome back to the Steam and Sauna Blueprint by Opulent Recreations, your guide to building the perfect home spa. Today we're diving into something that often gets overlooked, maintenance. Because even the best steam shower generator needs a little care to keep it running like new for years to come.
Think of your steam generator like the engine of your wellness routine. It quietly delivers powerful steam every day, but over time, minerals and impurities from your water can build up inside the tank. Regular maintenance not only extends your system's lifespan, but it also keeps your steam sessions cleaner, faster, and more consistent.
And here's a little known fact. Most performance issues in steam systems aren't from electrical faults. They're from scale buildup that's easy to prevent with the right habits. If you own a Mr. Steam, ThermaSol, or Kohler generator, you'll notice they come with something called an auto drain system. After every session, the AutoFlush automatically drains residual water from the tank, so minerals don't sit and harden inside. It's one of the simplest but most important maintenance features your unit can have. So if you're shopping for a new generator, always look for AutoFlush or an equivalent feature.
It's the difference between yearly maintenance and decades of flawless performance.
If you're using an older system that doesn't have automatic drain, don't worry. It just means you'll need to perform a quick manual flush every few weeks. Simply turn off power, allow the system to cool, then open the drain valve to flush out built-up sediment. Once it runs clear, close the valve and you're good to go.
While you're at it, check the water inlet filter. A clogged filter can reduce water flow and create uneven steam output, something that's easy to fix in just minutes. In areas with hard water, mineral buildup can happen faster. That's where descaling comes in. Using a mild vinegar solution or a professional descaler, you can safely clean the internal tank and restore optimal performance.
We usually recommend descaling every 6 to 12 months depending on your water hardness. It's like a spa day for your spa, gentle, refreshing, and keeps everything flowing beautifully. Every few months, take a quick look at the generator's exterior and connections. Check for leaks, corrosion, or loose fittings. These early signs can be fixed easily before they become expensive repairs.
And if your generator starts taking longer to produce steam or makes new noises, that's usually a sign it's time for cleaning or a quick service. Treat your generator like a luxury appliance, not a set-it-and-forget-it box.
Here's a quick schedule to remember. After every use, let auto drain do its job. Every 2 to 3 months, do a visual inspection. Every 6 months, descale and deep clean. Every year, professional service or inspection. Simple steps, huge difference.
Maintaining your steam generator isn't complicated, it's just consistent. A few minutes of care can add years to its life and keep every session feeling brand new.
If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss our upcoming reviews on other top steam shower and sauna brands. To explore generators from brands like Mr. Steam and Delta, visit Opulent Recreations. All links are in the description below. And if you'd like more real-world insights, installation tips, or personalized help, join our free school community, the Steam and Sauna Blueprint, where homeowners, designers, and spa lovers come together to share ideas. I'm Maya, and until next time, stay warm, relaxed, and inspired.